Let's see how to connect Porkbun domain to Hostinger. At first we will add our domain to Hostinger hosting and then we will change the DNS settings for our domain. So log into your Hostinger H panel. So here you will see the hosting section. Click on manage from here. Now from the left menu, click on this drop down. Click on add website from here. Click create a website and then click on next. Now select empty php/html website. Now add your Porkbun domain here. Select the domain from here and here you will see a notification that this domain is registered at another registrar and you will have to verify it. So click on next from here. So right now our Porkbun domain is added to our Hostinger hosting. Now click on check guide from here. And now we need to copy these name servers from here and add these name servers to our Porkbun domain. Now log into your Porkbun account and here you will see your domain name. Just hover over it and then click on name servers from here. Now here you will see the Porkbun name servers. Just remove all the name servers from here. After that, add the Hostinger name servers here and then click on submit. And in this way your Porkbun domain will be connected to Hostinger hosting. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.